This is the Ghostbusters motion car. So it's got 3 AA batteries that go in this compartment below. You can then switch it on or off. So once in the on position, you can position the device where you want it, and then when it senses movement, the car will move and the lights will come on. So you've got some adjustment of the sensitivity that you can adjust using a screwdriver. So if I turn it all this way, you'll see that it becomes less sensitive, and then if I turn it this way, it will start to pick up on my hand, which is turning the screwdriver. So at that point, you just want to turn it back so it sets the ideal range.